Hello, thanks for joining me today. I'm Patti Behan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful coaster set using Ranger's clear resin and Tim Holtz alcohol inks. Start by using a Hexagon hardcore art panel. Then take some alcohol ink blending solution and squeeze a generous amount onto the panel like so. Next, I'm going to be using colors from the Teal Blue Spectrum Alcohol Ink Kit. First, I'm using Laguna, and then use the blower to move the ink around a bit. And then next, I'm going to add a drop of Glacier. Put it on the side over there, and then hit it with the air blower. Another drop of Glacier on the other side. And now I'm going to add some Monsoon. And again, hit it with the air blower. Then add some more blending solution and keep alternating colors and add more till you get the look you need. And the blending solution is a good way to keep the ink fluid and moving. And once you're done, then heat it, and you want to get this mottled look. That's what I was looking for. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. It's just however you like it to look. Then I put some alcohol in the mini mister. This is in the alcohol ink tool set, and gave it a couple spritzes. And then heat it to stop the ink from moving. And this is what it looks like. It adds a little interest to your artwork there. And now I'm going to use gunmetal mixative and shake it up until you hear the ball rattling. And use your craft sheet as a palette. And I'm using the brush from the tool set. And we're going to paint the edges of the coaster just to give it a finished look. Okay, now I'm going to use the clear resin kit and the mixing cup and stir stick set, and mix equal parts of the A and B resin. First, start with part A, which is the resin, and then fill it up to the 1 ounce line and work on a level surface so you get even measurements. And then now we're going to take the part B hardener, and then we're going to fill it up to the 2 ounce mark. And then we're going to mix it up gently for about a minute. And then let it rest. And once you've let it rest, you can start coating your coaster with the resin. Resist the urge to pour it right out of the cup, and just use the stir stick to spread it evenly over the top. We just want to get a thin coat, and so that we have a nice glossy finish. We're just sealing in the alcohol ink. Okay, let it cure overnight, and once it's done, it looks like this, and it's nice and shiny, and we're ready to finish it off. I took a piece of adhesive cork board and I traced and cut it out to fit the shape, and peeled off the liner and put it on the back of the coaster like so. And then there you have it. You have your finished coaster. And I also did a couple more, so now that I have a finished set. I hope you enjoyed this project and you'll give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe, and we also have a list of supplies with links below if you're interested in trying out this project. Thanks for watching.